y'all, it's your girl Nene back with another makeup tutorial. If you're feeling this look, go ahead and click the subscribe button and stick around. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Morphe brush in 510 and I'm going to use my 35B palette from Morphe, and I'm going to take that yellow shade and I'm just putting that in my tear duct area near my brows. And I'm just tapping in. Next, I'm going to take that orange shade and I'm going to put that right next to the yellow shade. I'm going to make sure everything is blended well. I love these colors that I'm about to do. I love it. Next, I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush and I'm going to use that pink shade in my 35B palette and I'm going to put that right next to the orange shadow. Okay, so what happened was I took that purple shade that I'm tapping in right now and I put that in my crease and I didn't like how it looked, so I decided to start over, but thank God I didn't do it on the other side yet. So now I'm just going to show you how it looks on one side and then you'll see how it all comes together. But I went back in my 35B palette and I took that purple shade, I hope you saw it, and I basically put that right next to the pink. And now I am going with my Makeup Revolution in C1 and I'm cutting my crease. And as you can see, I'm doing a dramatic cut crease. Then I went in my 35B palette again and I took this purple shimmer shade that I really liked and I decided to put it close to my cut crease, and I'm using my concealer and C1 to make it look really sharp and clean. And now I'm taking this pink white shimmer shade. It's sort of a shimmer shade, but it's like really sparkly. I used it in my last makeup tutorial. It's really pretty. And I'm going back in that pink shade and I'm just tapping that on my lid just to bring a little bit of some color back because that pink was a little too light. And then I went back in my 35B palette and I took a darker pink and now I'm just dragging that all the way to the end of this cut crease. So now I'm taking my Wet and Wild my Wet and Wild jet black liner, and I'm creating my liner right now. Y'all, I swear I thought that was the hardest thing to do. And as you can see, both are done. Yes. And I added some glitter off camera. And now I'm going in my NYX Photo Finish primer. And now I'm using my Honey Do Me Up from NYX. And now I'm using my Sculpt Studio Finish M.A.C foundation. And I'm taking this flat foundation brush from BH Cosmetics. And I'm just tapping the foundation in. And now I'm using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and I'm just tapping the foundation evenly in my skin. And now I'm using LA Pro Girl, or I always get this mixed up, LA Pro Girl, Pro whatever. And I'm using Fawn to conceal. Now I'm using Blackopal and Ebony to contour. And now I'm using BH Cosmetics Rose Gold contour brush. And now I'm going back with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and I kind of just blended out my chin area, my lip, and my forehead. And now I'm going back in my flat foundation brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm blending out the foundation, the concealer. And now I am going in with Laura Mercier and Topaz, and I'm pressing the setting powder into my skin. And now I'm taking my face powder from M.A.C in Dark Deep, and I'm just applying that all over my face. And I'm not swiping anything. I'm kind of pressing the foundation powder into my skin. Now I'm taking my lip pencil from that I bought from the hair store, and cocoa, and I'm lining up my lips. And now I'm taking Catrice, and this is a line that I saw at Ulta Beauty, and I just thought, why not try them? And I really loved it. And now I'm using my blush palette that I got from the hair store. And now I'm using my Anastasia in Mahogany, and this is my bronzer. Now I'm using Fenty Beauty, and I'm using Hustla Baby. And now I'm using my NYX cream liquid lipstick, and I'm also using their gloss and fortune cookie. And now I'm using my NYX setting spray, and I'm just setting my face. I hope you guys love this look like I did. I love this look. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.